Hey, Nick with RPP Hobby here. We've got another customer ride in here and want to do a light install. Lights are pretty straightforward. There's some mitric attacks. I'm going to need to scratch out a little bit on the body in order to actually have some light shine through. And I'll have to re-crimp the ends, mainly because they won't fit. One of the things the customer's worried about is how to take care of the cords, because he does have a receiver box in here that has all the wiring inside. So I've got this. The local product that I'm evaluating. It's a little harness. Goes to some magnets. It's pretty strong, but good way to have a releasable power system, and it's polarity specific, so you can't cross wire it. So we'll throw this on here and wire this all up. All right, so we got the body off. We'll get the radio box open. We'll get this wired up. An extra channel, so it'll work nicely for our little light plug. Clean up. Right there. Let's go into the battery slot. Tuck all our wires back in. Should have enough clearance that this guy can pop in, still come off. cable management. This should have enough of a lead so that we can get onto the body. So let's get this off here. So this guy was already painted over the lights. We'll scratch those off in order to get some clearance. I'll be running the attack lights. So this will require a little bit of rewiring in order to get them to play nice, because that plug's not going to work. Let me go clean this off and then deal with the Lexan. All right, so I got a little lucky with this body. I don't think this is Tamiya paint, so I was actually able to use a polishing wheel in order to clear most of that off. There's some deformations to the body, so it's not perfect, but when you put the lights behind it, it's gonna look nice. All right, we'll clean up the wiring and then we'll hook it up. All right, so we've got these little adhesive clips, which we'll put through the body, and then it should be done. All right, so the clips tidied up the wiring nicely. These are available at rpp.com under the product number RPP090 if you want some. They're self-adhesive on the back. They come in a 8-pack, so it's, or sorry, 10-pack. So nice little way to tidy them up. And let's get this together. Let there be light.